So we're having some lunch in Dong Ba Market. What have you got?
This is nem lụi, special dish in the central Vietnam. This is a grilled pork with all the herb and spice in there, and then they barbecue it. You eat this traditional way to eat. It's with rice paper, grilled pork, nem lụi, and some vegetable, coriander, lettuce, cucumber, and some Vietnamese pig. Thank you.
Oh, chili. Don't you eat that yet.
Roll it and dip into a peanut sauce.
Oh, nice.
This is my favorite.
Crispy. We've got some, what's this on the stick?
This is belly pork grill.
Nice. Well, that looks like the tapioca
Hot, hot, hot.
pudding. Shrimp inside. That's not the ban sale, is it? It's ban
Bánh khoái.
why? Yeah? You're going to eat some of that, yeah? There's some fresh spring rolls as well. Lots of food here. There's the lady serving. And a pot full of soup. Bún bò Huế. Oh, I love bún bò Huế. Now we're having a bit of a Mia Da. That's
Sugar
sugarcane drink, isn't it?
Con ăn một tí đi.
This is the bun thịt nướng. One of my favourites as well, actually. Looking forward to this. Right, we're going to enjoy all this. Not